Could soaring oil prices signal an impending economic storm? It's a question on the minds of many, given the current geopolitical tensions. Today, we delve into this complex topic, tracing historical events and examining potential outcomes. Rewind to 2021. The United States Senate Committee passes the No Oil Producing and Exporting Cartels Act, also known as the NOPEC bill. This legislation aims to expose OPEC and Russia to lawsuits for colluding to boost oil prices. The proposed bill strips OPEC of sovereign immunity and faces stiff opposition from oil-producing states and industry groups. Fast forward to recent events. Iran, home to vast oil resources and the third largest producer in OPEC, launches an aerial attack against Israel. This action reignites fears of regional war and raises concerns about potential disruptions in Iran's ability to supply global markets. Analysts predict such disruptions could catapult oil prices to a staggering $100 per barrel and beyond. The geopolitical tension escalates further as Iran retaliates against an Israeli strike on its consulate in Damascus, Syria. This retaliation leads to an attack on Israel, marking Iran's first direct military assault on the Jewish state. Iran's United Nations mission issues a stark warning in the aftermath of the attack, stating that any further Israeli retaliation would be met with a considerably more severe response. Meanwhile, oil prices remain volatile, with global benchmark Brent slipping slightly in early morning trading in Asia. Compounding the situation is a history of underinvestment in oil exploration and development, making global crude supplies more vulnerable. Josh Young, a portfolio manager at Bison Interests, warns that insufficient investment increases the likelihood of a super spike in oil prices, potentially exceeding $100 per barrel. These geopolitical tensions, coupled with underinvestment and natural output decline, have led to rising oil prices in recent months. Attacks on Red Sea maritime trade routes by the Houthis, who claim solidarity with the Palestinian people, have further disrupted trade and contributed to the price climb. In conclusion, the journey of oil prices is a complex one, intricately tied to geopolitical events and economic decisions. With Iran's vast oil resources and its role in OPEC, any disruption in its supply capacity could significantly impact global oil prices. The underinvestment in oil exploration and development further exacerbates the situation, increasing the risk of a super spike in oil prices. As these events unfold, the world watches closely, bracing for the potential economic impact.